Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to scan a Wi-Fi QR code with your laptop. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is open up your internet browser, and we're going to need to go to a website called scanqr.org. Okay, I'll leave the link in the description of this video also. Okay, so once we're on the actual website, if you scroll down where it's got scan QR code from an image, here is where you want to upload the image that you've saved onto your PC into this section right here. So let's just use our example. So we're just going to drag and drop that QR code onto the website and it'll upload. Okay, so as you can see, we've uploaded the image and now it's actually displayed scanned data with Wi-Fi details on that particular part of the screen. So then to actually use this, what we're going to need to actually do is go into our network and internet. Okay, so the settings screen, so the network and internet section, and then here we're looking for the Wi-Fi. So just go into Wi-Fi. And then next, we're actually going to be doing manage known networks. So just select that one. And obviously, we're going to be using the QR data from that image. So we're going to need to be adding a network. So just select add network. Okay, so for the network name, when you come back to the scanned data, it's anything that's after the S and the semicolon. So we just want to highlight and copy this information. And then back to our Wi-Fi and network name, you just want to paste in that data that you've copied. The security type we need to change to WPA to personal, because as you can see here, we have a WPA within the Wi-Fi network. Okay, and then for the security key, we want to go back to our scan data on the scan QR code. And then is anything after the P semicolon. Okay, so I've obviously blanked that out because it's a password, but it's anything that's after P semicolon. You just want to copy this information and paste that into the security key. And then simply select the connect automatically if every time you're around this Wi-Fi that you want to just allow your laptop to automatically connect to it. And then connect even if this network is not broadcasting. Feel free to select that if you like also. Once you're ready to go, just press save. And that's pretty much it. And that is how to scan a Wi-Fi QR code using your laptop. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.